Svadharma. It means function. It means the thing that is right for you. What we would call your vocation in life. As we say, doing your own thing. You have to find, as it were, your own thing. Now, a job which you do purely for money can never be called a Svadharma. Because you're doing it for another end, to make money, which has a purely symbolic value. But when you do a certain work, because that is what is your thing to do, so that's a Svadharma. And every person's vocation in caste is supposed to be your thing, your Svadharma. But we feel in our culture, you see, that we have such a tremendous choice of Svadharma that sometimes it's what the French call embarras de richesse. It's like embarrassment of riches when you're confronted with one of those enormous menus in a restaurant which has so many things on it you can't make up your mind which to pick. You see, as a person passes out of this, he gives up the social order and becomes a nobody. He then, in that sense, he goes back to the forest. He goes back from the organization, the role-playing of the agrarian culture, to the solitude of the hunting culture. Back to the way of the forest, to find out who he is alone all by himself.